I think Bhavna is very calm, very understanding, and she has been a very amazing source of positive energy for me. Uh, I have never met somebody who has had that level of patience, considering I have so much running in my startup and a lot of things on my professional front. I think from day one, she has been very understanding of it. She's been very calm about it, and we have had a lot of laughter about how we would, enjoy our married life, understanding each other better.
His sense of clarity. He is very clear about the things he like, the things he wants and the way he wants the things. So I think वो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है उसमें कि वो हर चीज़ को लेके बहुत श्योर एंड बहुत क्लियर रहता है.
रंग सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, रंग सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे.
Very mature, very responsible, and I think I am bit more on a fun part कि होगा देखा जाएगा type.
The most memorable moment I think has been my birthday. Just within a month after our Roka, she planned a birthday surprise for me. We had every 1 hour she had planned surprise gifts, and my final big surprise was she herself had come to her home and she was hiding in a room and the entire family had planned it. So it was the first time I actually got such a huge surprise in my life. I think that will always remain to be the most memorable and cherishable moment for me.
We're young and we're crazy. आज की रात होनी amazing. Turn up the lights and the sound. Get loud, shout it out. 'Cause we're young and we're crazy.
बारणियों फुलासू छायो आंगणिये चौक पुरायो बारणियों फुलासू छायो आंगणिये चौक पुरायो सगनारी चूनड़ लायो वीरो माहिर भरण ने आयो सगनारी चूनड़ लायो वीरो भात भरण ने आयो शगुन न होता पूरा तू अगर ना तो पीरा ये शगुन न होता पूरा थारे हाथा सू ढोली बड़ा चाव सू चुनड़ी थे आके मान बढ़ायो अनमोल चुनड़ी लायो थे आके मान बढ़ायो अनमोल चुनड़ी लायो सगनारी चूनड़ लायो वीरा झिरमिर बरसे में वीरा बूंद बूंद में ने वीरा झिरमिर बरसे में वीरा बूंद बूंद में ने आयो सावन सुरंगो मारे आंगणियों आज आयो सावन सुरंगो मारे आंगणियों आज मारो वीरो बेण जारो मारो वीरो बेण जारो आयो परणे हो रात मारो वीरो बेण जारो आयो परणे हो रात
I think one of the biggest differences is she knows very clearly what she wants. We complement each other on a lot of different fronts. One of the funniest things is I'm very poor in understanding relations, and she's super good at them. And I think we have laughed about it a lot, where even I expect her to know my extended family more than me, and that's what we are seeing in this marriage as well.
How am I feeling today? I don't know. Emotional, excited, happy, lots of feelings. Can't pinpoint one. And one thing that I am definitely sure that I'm looking forward in my new home, in my new family, is lots of love. I'm very sure I'm going to get lots of love.
वारी वारी जावा वे सदके में जावा सजना सहरे तेरे ते मैं मोतियां पिरोवा सजना हूँ तुझ पे निसार में लू नजरे उतार में मेरा तो अब से चुरा के सबसे दिल में छुपा लूं मेरे मत्थे ते चमकण वाल मेरे बन रे दे मत्थे ते चमकण वाल मेरे बन रे दे जुग जुग जीवे मेरा सोना माही जुग जुग जीवे मेरा सोना माही मेहंदी करे हक लाल मेरे बनने दे हो मत्थे ते चमकन वाल मेरे बनने दे घर आंगन खुशहाल हो मेरे बनने दे
हो मत्थे ते चमकण वाल हो तेरे बनने दे
That's a very surprising thing. So far, I think one of the biggest things for us has been that we both love psychology and we understand each other's thought process so well that we have never had any kind of petty arguments. She's super understanding about these things, so she just kind of understands the situation so well and takes it very sportingly.
आओगे जब आओगे जब आओगे जब तुम ओ साजना अंगना फूल खिलेंगे बरसेगा सावन बरसेगा सावन झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे आओगे जब तुम ओ साजना अंगना फूल खिलेंगे केसरिया पधारोनी मारे देश देश जी पधारोनी मारे देश पधारोनी मारे देश ओ केसरिया
I think I'm looking forward to a lot of good journeys and trips with her. And she being a foodie, I think we'll enjoy a lot of new dishes and foods all around the world. So yeah, that's my kind of the journey I'm looking forward to with her.
तेरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए तेरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए भाग लगे इस आंगन को भाग लगे इस आंगन को अपने पिया की मैं बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया के मैं बल बल जाऊं चरण लगायो निर्धन को चरण लगायो निर्धन को मेरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए जाए, देख सुरतिया अपने पिया की, देख सुरतिया अपने पिया की। हार गई मैं तन मन को, हार गई मैं तन मन को। रे सखी मोरे पिया घर आए। जिसका पिया संग बीते सावन, उस दुल्हन की रैन सुहागन। जिस सावन में पिया घर नाही, जिस सावन में पिया घर नाही। आग लगे उस सावन को, आग लगे उस सावन को। तेरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए, तेरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए।